Alright guys, welcome to a farm. Today we are preparing to build a new chicken house in here. We're gonna build a 3,000 capacity. As you can see, the grader is working on it, and we are preparing the land to build a 3,000 capacity. And the grader is working on the land. We are preparing the land. Over here is very slopey, so it's gonna fill it up and make it all this side level. And this is the guy working with. Yeah, so we're gonna see the building while we are building it. Okay guys, we are preparing to put the pillars in the house. These are the posts that we are using. These are the thick posts that we are going to use. Alright guys, so we are still building our 3,000 capacity, and now the posts are being setting up for the building. As you can see, they have all the posts are here. They have started putting the they put the level and they are putting the posts right now. They're going to do all the side one first, and then they're gonna put the middle one. Putting all the side ones, and then they're gonna put the middle one. So all the posts are ready right now, and we are about to roof it. We are about to roof everything. All the posts are ready. The side ones are ready. The middle ones are ready. All other side is ready too. And also we put concrete under the posts. All the posts have concrete under it. It's about 1 feet down, concrete all the way. Here is 45 by 126. So 45, 126, 45 by 126 is 3,000 capacity. In case you want to build about 3,000 capacity, this is the feet that you can also have to build your own. This is over there, from there to here. It's 126, and from this pole here to that pole there is 45, and according to the calculation it's supposed to be 45 by 45. All right, so when you are calculating 45 by 45, 45, that's about 90, so another 45, so we have 126 feet from this chicken house that we are building here. And I know that my next video you see all the roof ready, and we'll show you the finishing. And after that, I'm gonna tell you the cost of building 3,000 capacity chicken house in 2023 in Ghana, especially in Brekum site. If I say in Ghana, Many people may not understand because Ghana is many regions, and this is Brekum. We are in Brekum Buna Half site, and I'm building this. Maybe the estimate cost that I will made in that video, maybe it might not be the same estimate that you will use to build your own. Mine may be expensive for less than yours. So when I said in Ghana, I mean in Brekum site, this is the estimate that I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna give you the cement, the iron sheet, the poles and everything that you can use to build this 3,000 capacity. Thank you very much for watching our video. I want you to subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and we'll give you more updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.